Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is CoLuck 5PCS electrical disconnect pliers for cars. When it comes to maintaining or repairing a vehicle, having the right tools is just as important as having the right knowledge. Among the many specialized tools available in the automotive world, electrical disconnect and hose clamp tools play a vital role in ensuring efficient and damage-free work. The CoLuck 5PCS electrical disconnect pliers for cars, hose clamp pliers, connector removal tool, disconnect tool, and connector separator with terminal removal toolkit stands out as a practical, budget-friendly solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile 5-piece toolkit is designed to simplify one of the most delicate aspects of automotive repair, disconnecting electrical connectors and hose clamps without causing damage. Modern vehicles are equipped with numerous clips, connectors, and terminals that are often fragile and tightly secured. Attempting to remove them with standard pliers or improvised tools can lead to broken components, increased repair costs, and frustration. That's where this toolkit proves its value. One of the most notable qualities of this product is its thoughtful design. Each tool in the set is crafted to handle a specific task, allowing users to work more efficiently and with greater precision. The disconnect pliers are shaped to grip connectors firmly while applying just the right amount of pressure to release them safely. This minimizes the risk of cracking plastic clips or damaging sensitive electrical components, which is a common issue when using generic tools. The inclusion of hose clamp pliers adds another layer of usefulness to the kit. Hose clamps, especially in tight engine compartments, can be difficult to access and even harder to remove. With these specialized pliers, users can easily reach and release clamps without straining or struggling. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of injury or accidental damage to surrounding parts. Another key strength of the CoLuck 5PCS toolkit is its durability. Despite being an economical option, the tools are made from sturdy materials that can withstand regular use. The metal components are strong enough to handle pressure without bending, while the handles are designed for comfort and grip. This ensures that users can work for extended periods without experiencing discomfort or hand fatigue. Affordability is one of the biggest advantages of this product. In the automotive tool market, specialized tools can often be expensive, making it difficult for beginners or casual users to justify the investment. However, this kit offers excellent value for money. It provides multiple tools in one package at a price point that is accessible to a wide range of users. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want reliable performance without spending a large amount. In addition to its affordability, the kit is highly practical. Whether you're working on fuel lines, air conditioning systems, or electrical connectors, these tools can handle a variety of tasks. This versatility means you don't need to purchase multiple separate tools, further increasing its cost effectiveness. For car owners who prefer to handle minor repairs themselves, this kit can quickly become an essential part of their toolbox. Ease of use is another area where this product excels. Even users with limited experience can quickly understand how to use the tools effectively. The ergonomic design and intuitive functionality make it simple to achieve professional-level results without extensive training. This is particularly beneficial for DIY enthusiasts who want to perform maintenance tasks confidently. The compact nature of the kit also adds to its appeal. The tools are easy to store and transport, making them convenient for both garage use and on-the-go repairs. Whether you're a professional mechanic or someone who likes to be prepared for emergencies, having this kit readily available can make a significant difference. From a performance standpoint, the tools deliver consistent results. They're designed to handle repeated use without losing effectiveness, ensuring that you get long-term value from your purchase. The precision offered by these tools helps reduce errors, making your work cleaner and more efficient. Another positive aspect is the reduced risk of damage. Automotive connectors and terminals are often expensive to replace, and breaking them can lead to additional repairs. By using tools specifically designed for these components, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure that your vehicle remains in good condition. In conclusion, the CoLuck 5PCS electrical disconnect pliers and connector removal toolkit is a highly practical and economical choice for anyone involved in automotive maintenance. Its combination of durability, versatility, and ease of use makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The product delivers excellent performance at an affordable price, making it accessible to both professionals and hobbyists. If you are looking for a reliable toolkit that simplifies complex tasks and helps you work more efficiently, this product is an excellent option. It meets a wide range of needs, offers great value for money, and ensures that your investment is worthwhile. Choosing this toolkit means choosing convenience, quality, and smart spending all in one package.